how to use Roop Deepfake in Stable Diffusion. Let's imagine that you have installed Stable Diffusion. So first of all, you need to install the Roop extension. To install it, you need to click the link below the video in description, and here you'll see GitHub article how to install it. Scroll down, and first you need to install Visual Studio. Click the Visual Studio link to download it. Here, make sure to choose the CC++ and Python. Then copy this command and go the Stable Diffusion root folder and open CMD terminal by clicking right mouse click. And just paste the copies command here and press enter. And you'll see installing root extension to Stable Diffusion. After successfully installing, go back to the GitHub article and download the InSwapper file to prevent some troubles after opening Stable Diffusion. Just copy the file and paste to Roop extension folder, which you can find in this way. Now get back to article and copy this text, open the Stable Diffusion and go to the extension. Then click Install from URL and just pass the copies text and click Install. Now go the text to image page and you will see the Roop extension below. Click there and upload your face reference. Click Enable and write prompt you want to generate. For example, I'll take this prompt. And here we have the result. Now you know how to use Stable Diffusion root extension. See you soon, guys.